Hello, I'm Refashionista Sheri, and if you've been with me for any length of time, really, you should already know that I am slowly but surely fixing, healing my little damaged Gen X child in here. And one of the ways I am doing that is by collecting the Barbies and the Barbie accessories and items that I had when I was younger, as well as, and even more so, the ones that I coveted when I was young, but was never allowed to have. And so over the past year, I have grown my collection quite a bit, so much so that I have a dedicated playlist. It'll be linked down below so you can go check out where I find these items, how I fix them up and repair them and display them. But we're going to look at that later because I recently turned 51. And of course, for my birthday, I received this absolutely adorable Barbie Glam Getaway cottage set, and it also came with a bag full of Barbie clothes and accessories and furniture and 2 Barbies. So let's go open this up, see what's inside, because it's full of stuff in here too, and I haven't opened it yet, and fix it all up, set it all up, and let's go heal our inner child a little bit with some fabulous oldie but goodie Barbie stuff. Okay, let's look at all of the goodies that were in that bag, starting with what I can only assume is a workout Barbie or gymnastics Barbie. I don't know. We will Google Lens her and see exactly who she is, but she's awesome. And look, very, very bendy. I love the articulated limbs on Barbies. You can just pose them. So cool. And, ooh, she's absolutely beautiful. And again, once again, very articulated limbs, which is lovely. And we will also figure out who she is. Okay, this is where it gets super fun. Look at this console here. And that looks like some kind of stereo receiver and perhaps a DVD player. Yes, it's a DVD player because those are DVDs there, which again, I'm thinking this whole house is maybe a little bit vintage or at least, 10 or 15 years old because DVD player. And, oh, a fake beanbag chair. I mean, it's not super soft, but Barbie furniture really doesn't need to be soft, right? This here, what is this? Oh, that goes in there. And then we clip it. Oh, little stools. Those are adorable. And a cat and snorkeling gear for Barbie and her matching snorkeling dog. So I think we have to name this dog Jack, right? Of course we do. And, oh, a footstool to go with that. Pillow, I'm guessing that's supposed to be the pillow that goes on the bed. Binoculars, camera, purse. This dress looks very, very 1960s or 70s bridesmaid, and it definitely feels super duper vintage as well. So that's going to get a hand wash. So I just want to interrupt myself because this dress looks suspiciously like a dress that I recently shared in a vintage eBay thrift haul. And it's just very hilarious that I have now managed to thrift a dress that is actually similar to a dress that I'm going to upsize so it fits me. So look out for that. I may be having a Barbie and me fashion show coming very, very soon. Now let's go through the, oh, look, TV, which I'm guessing, yes, fits on top of the entertainment console here. So that will for sure be going in the house. We got to get everything washed though first, but adorable dress and tutu, scarf, shirt. This actually doesn't look like Barbie. It looks smaller than Barbie, but that's okay. There's just, I mean, lots of really cool little outfits we can put together with all of this. But first, I am going to go wash it all. And so now it is time to go check out the house. Okay, so this is where you open it up. How How cool is that? Look, there's a toilet. And I guess that's just what, like a window? Okay. This, I'm guessing, yes, is the bed. Clearly, I am having a hard time finding a spot where I can shoot this and get it all opened up, but we're just going to do a quick look, and then I'm going to go set it up properly, and then we'll have a closer look once it's all set up. But I just wanted to show you how awesome this is because, like I said, I didn't open it yet, so I wanted to open it myself. All of these things. What are all these holes for? Okay, headphones. I bet you these holes, right? This goes in the hole. Yeah, maybe that shouldn't go in that hole, though, because you don't really have a mirror at the end of your bed. But here's another one. What is this? Ooh, teeny weeny, teeny tiny compact. Maybe that can go there. Lovely. Okay. Random shark. Oh, this is just like a whole bunch of accessories, shoes, cup. Oh, the gymnastics, workout, aerobics, Barbies, shoes. Those are very 90s Reebok, I think. Yeah, so I'm going to go set this up properly, and then we're going to take a proper look at it. Okay, we are all set up here, and let's have a closer look. So here, the first Barbie is, of course, freshly showered. Her hair is lovely after the fabric softener treatment, and she's having a lovely cup of tea with her new friends by the Barbie Country Camper. And of course, Dream Date Ken is serving them, of course. And here is the lovely house. So how I decided to set this up is pretty much just open the whole thing up here, and because this kitchen was here and it matched perfectly with my Barbie Townhouse kitchen, it just made sense to just kind of run it all together along the wall here, right? Absolutely. And by the way, there's Esther, and I don't know what she's doing. She's maybe looking in the fridge to see if there's any too good to go stuff in there to make dinner. I don't know. Oh, and there's Inga in the elevator. But here is the other Barbie. This was the gymnastics Barbie, and look at how beautiful her hair came out after the treatment with the fabric softener. And I will link down below to what the heck I'm talking about with this fabric softener treatment. It's something that I have done to all of my vintage Barbie hair, and it's just beautiful. Let me just turn her around here, if I can, because she has a lovely, whoops. Oh, here, I can tell you about these amazing chairs that I scored at, whoops, the Dollar Tree. And I also got these lovely cup and saucers and the cake and tea set there that Ken is serving from, all from the Dollar Tree, all for $1.50. And these chairs actually come 2 in a pack, so I got 4 because I needed 4. And it fits perfectly with the little table in my Barbie Townhouse. Anyway, let's get back to this lovely ensemble that I put together here. And you see, she's just gorgeous. And again, her hair is just beautiful too. Everybody is just beautiful. The house is lovely. I'm not like super chuffed about the toilet there, but what are you going to do? I now have 2 toilets, right? We have the downstairs toilet, and then if we go upstairs, there we have the other toilet. Makes sense there in the bathroom. And there's Guy, and here is another Ken that I got recently. And I'm not sure what I'm going to do with him, but look, the little snorkel dog and the shark are perfect. And the little snorkel that I got for my birthday there in that bag fits Ken perfectly. But as always, I want to know, what do you think of my lovely little Barbie setup here? I'm still, super thrilled with my Barbie Townhouse that, of course, I got for my 50th birthday last year, along with that huge suitcase full of Barbies. So, of course, I will link to that video down below. But, oh, and there's Jem. And Jem and Aja, I actually got in this lovely vintage Barbie trunk, which, again, I shared that and how I repaired it and cleaned it and everything. So, as always, videos are linked down below for you. But what do you think? thrifty thing, I did an okay job, you know, setting up my lovely Glam Getaway portable Barbie house here. I really don't think I could have done it any other way. Everything is, as you can see, lovely in the line, and then going up to the townhouse. Oh, and of course, Astronaut Barbie always deserves a lovely mention.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.